manually, but now they can do this also. Wow.
Downward, we have another go down. That one is for storing and washing of.
Is this helping you?
Yes, very much so. Very much.
The production has gone up. You're able to do more work, right? And it made it easy also for you.
It's very easy because we now have to slice with that machine, not like before we have to slice by hand.
Right. And this is all solar
Yes,
power,
sir.
right? You don't have any problem with the power.
Right now it's all fine.
Okay. Earlier you didn't even have this. Earlier you had to do it from home. So now you'll be able to sit properly, professionally. Very good. Then you have to bring more in the water. Yeah. So we have this glass is getting foggy here because of the heat out here. We need to put that. The cooperatives will bring it here and then they'll buy it at a certain price and you guarantee the same. Yes. Those things will happen at the house. Nongrep bae chonga. And all my dear friends who are present here today to be part of this program. I have set a target for our state that when we celebrate our Diamond Jubilee, that is 60 years, we should be among the top 10 states in the country. My target here is to ensure that we double, triple the income of the farmers, and that we can only do by having this Mission Board program. There was a time when the curcumin content had to be measured in Kolkata. It would take 10 days. We did it in 10 minutes out here. This is the kind of technology and the kind of improvement that we are doing for the farmers. There is no curcumin extraction unit plant in the whole of Northeast. We have started doing it in a very indigenous manner, thanks to the help of Pradeep and his team. But we are intending to take it even further by ensuring that we even get better technology, even better standards, which will be acceptable globally.